Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm going to make some pecan pralines or pralines, ever how you want to say them. This will go quick and easy. It's a real easy recipe. It goes pretty quick and pretty fast and everything. So let's get started. In my pan I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. And then a half a cup of evaporated milk. Now over medium-high heat, and I will move the camera here in just a second, but over medium-high heat we're going to stir this until it comes to a good rolling boil, and once it does that we're going to let it boil for around 4 minutes. But just kind of keep it stirred up. Now once this boils and everything, I have 4 tablespoons of butter, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and some pecans that we will be adding to it off the heat. So you don't want it just to bubble around the edges. You want a good boil on this. So once it gets there, I will bring you back, but you want to kind of keep with this and keep it stirred too. So I will bring you back. Okay, don't take this long to come to a boil because there's not really much in the pan. But see how it's boiling all over, not just on the edges. Now we're going to start timing around 4 minutes. You can go 3.5 minutes to 4 minutes. And just keep stirring it. And once this gets done boiling, I will bring you back over at my counter because we will remove it from the heat and add the rest of the ingredients. Alright, I'll let mine go for around 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Now I'm going to add my softened 4 tablespoons of butter and my teaspoon of vanilla. Give that a mix. Now the recipe calls for 1 1/4 cups of chopped pecans, but I'm going to add more than that because I love me some pecans. So I'm going to add around 2 cups, but when I put the ingredients down, I will put just what the recipe calls for. You can add more. So now we really want to stir this and whip it. Phil Robertson says about 50 times, so really get in there and mix it until you can feel it thickening up. And I already have my parchment paper laid out to put these on. Now this stuff is very hot, so if I had small children or pets, I'd put my pets up so they couldn't get in here. And the small kids don't need to be in here either because this is like real hot. Sorry, speaking of cats, one of mine came upstairs and I had to go get her. She was hollering for me, you probably heard her. Okay, this is really thickening up now. So I'm going to start setting it out. You can make them as little or as big as you want. I'll move the camera so you can see. Alright. I just had me a couple of big spoons that I'm going to set them out with, but you can see this is already thickening up. And just set them out. If you don't add this many pecans to it like I did, it will have a lot more of the juice to run out. The praline part, I guess you call it. But I'm going to always add more pecans because I love it. And it will not take these long at all to set up. As you can see, they're already starting to set up. So once they are set up and they are cooled, then we can try one. We're going to be making some more homemade ice cream for the 4th. And I'm really making these for me to have, but to put in my ice cream too. It's going to be so good. See, it's already setting up. You have to be quick about this. I hope you could see that. So once these set up and cool, I'll bring you back, but I want to show you the pan. Now to clean this pan, It's pretty easy. I'm going to scrape all this excess out. And then I'm just going to put it in the sink and fill it with water and let it soak for a while. And then this will come right out. So I'll bring you back when these are ready. Okay, mine are ready. Like I say, it don't take them long at all to set up. It does take them a little bit to cool down. But again, these are really quick and really easy to make. Really under 30 minutes to get everything together and get it made and get it dumped out and cooling. So, anyway, I hope you try this. And if you do, please let me know. Now, this isn't hard like peanut brittle or nothing like that. It's soft. So, let's try some. We'll break off a piece. This is so good. And being I'm the only one in my household that eats pecans, I have all this for myself. But I will take it for our 4th of July to share with others. Maybe if there's any left. And this will be good crumbled over my homemade vanilla ice cream. Or even put down in the ice cream. Ooh, I may try that. If I do, I'll do a video on that. But anyway, it's good and soft and chewy. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, because I love hearing from you. Still don't have my computer yet. So I'm going to go ahead and thank my son in advance for editing and uploading this for me when he does. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.